I'm doing pixel gun. That's the
perfect
stupid
intro.
Yep, I knew it. Now what do I click to get to the map?
Click refresh.
Refresh.
And I should show up to join. Except I'm not on the map yet. It's loading.
Refresh.
I'm pausing my video until then. I'm clicking the 2 little slash marks up and down. Was she in Friendzo?
I'm pausing real quick.
But yeah, that's Pink Storm right there.
Started back up again.
And Freefall 111 is right over here.
Don't kill me now.
There he is. Jesus Christ, she's good.
Wait, do I have a pet? Oh, look, I got Big Mac.
Oh yeah, she has a golden friend, that's why she's good.
Big Mac's my
Are
pet.
you recording,
Boom
Joseph?
chicken. Yeah.
Okay.
Are you recording, Zach?
Yes, I am, Joseph.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Parkour. I just jumped and I got parkour. Don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me.
Why?
Because you have insane armor and everything.
I know, I'm taking it off next round. This match doesn't count.
Yeah, I'm just hiding from everyone.
Not doing a very good job, because I'm sure I'm going to find you really quickly. Oh, by the way, guys, I just got this gadget in the Piranha yesterday. This gadget that kills Joseph like that.
What was it?
Zachosaur killed him. My flying around shooting laser gadget. Can I snipe you without the scope? I don't know, but I can sure at least scope you.
I hate the anti-hero. Did someone kill Big Mac?
I don't know. You must die, Joseph.
Big Mac's coming after you. I'm sitting there trying to kill you and Big Mac came after
Big Mac
you.
killed me. Big Mac is his chicken, if you guys don't know.
Yeah, I named my chicken Big Mac.
Which he should. I don't know why he didn't.
I killed myself on
something
X.
normal like chicken McNuggets or something.
It had to be Big Mac. It didn't make sense.
His pterodactyl is
Kicking
chicken
wings.
Not chicken
You
wings.
judging?
I am judging. Judging so bad, I'm probably gonna use the judge next round.
Oh crap.
But it's an easy kill for you guys because I just sit there.
I can't get this girl. Pink Storm, sit still. Don't kill me.
I have to. Oh my god. Just a noob.
Yep. I didn't have my
What are you doing that
jetpack.
till next round? I'm pausing the video till next round.
Why? I'm showing it. I'm showing. It's like bloopers or something.
Bloopers.
Yeah, bloopers.
Okay, I'm not pausing it until the next round because bloopers, man. Pink Storm
Yeah.
the game. That's funny. It's
She
called
left. I'm in
comedy,
second.
guys. Just to laugh at that. Just to laugh that Pink Storm left the game. What was that?
I'm shooting the flare gun at the ground.
Oh no, Pink Storm doing the game. Bloopers, guys.
Bloopers.
Boopers.
Yeah, you're gonna thank me later. No, not kicking wing. Not
Alright.
kicking wing. I have Big
I'm
Mac.
taking my armor and resurrection off.
Should I get Bill Kobe?
Sure.
No, actually it's in between. Kicking wing or Big Mac. Which one should I use?
I'm taking resurrection off and replacing it with something else.
Kicking wing or Big Mac?
Big Mac.
No, get her. Get her.
Did I take
Big Mac, you're useless.
No, I didn't take my armor off. Okay, there we go.
Big
My
Mac's
armor-
useless.
Okay, guys, my armor is off and my resurrection's gone. Time to wreck some noobs.
Thanks for helping me kill her.
Oh, you're welcome. Anytime in the month, buddy.
I just got judged.
Judged hard. And Zachosaur is wrecking Pink Storm. He's spawn trapping her. Hey, Joseph, how does this make you feel, sir? Oh, wait, no, that was Pink Storm. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Joseph, if you do not stop shooting me with that, I'm gonna do this to you.
I just see a missile coming at my face.
By the way, props to Pink Storm for killing me while I was using my freaking...
No, leave me alone. No.
Come on, let me no-scope you. Alright, I gotta do this then.
I got judged.
You just got judged, son.
Someone killed Big Mac.
Kill Big Mac.
Let's just seen two spirits.
Hey, Joseph. How you
Don't kill
doing?
me. Let's team up against that. Let's team up against Pink Storm.
No.
That's a black hole.
I sucked you in. It's like it's a grenade. I know that, and it creates a black hole that sucks you guys in. I call it my Slurpy Derpy. It goes.
You anti-heroed me.
I am the anti-hero.
How are we supposed to compete with your weapons?
I don't know. What weapons do you have, Joseph?
Peacemaker.
Besides that.
Peacemaker.
Okay.
I got the photon rifle.
I'll just use all the weapons Pink Storm has and your Peacekeeper.
Oh.
Ah!
Did you die?
I did not mean to.
Uh-oh. Big Mac's gone.
She tried to kill Zachosaur, but I feed Zachosaur rocks.
I hate that
Oh
gas.
my god, that was crazy.
Crap, I was trying to kill the cat.
Wait, what? I took my armor off and I found armor laying on the ground and it gave me my armor points back.
Hey, I was killing her. Do you mind?
Sorry, but that's my job, sir. See? Just did it. Boom. Fight me. Square up, circle down, triangle sideways. Rectangle diagonal. Time to use my pew pew. My aimbot hack.
Too bad no one wants to step on my firework.
Wait, where's the firework at?
I don't know.
Oh, I found it. No, it went crazy. It just started spinning in the air. I wanted to land on it. Let me reload this gun really quick.
I'm just trying to fly around. No.
Did you see that?
Yes. You
I
squirrel.
couldn't get you because it was like spinning in circles.
Does the judge cost gems?
No, it costs a lot of coins. Like 400. Alright.
Crap. I
So,
died.
what was I gonna do again?
0 kills.
I got 24. Alright. Oh yeah, I was gonna equip your guys' weapons. Alright, Joseph uses the Peacekeeper.
Yep.
Even though it doesn't keep peace, it provides anger management. And Joseph, what's your backup weapon?
I got some kind of
melee.
assassin. I got the knife.
Well, I'm equipping what she has. She has a fire orb.
Oh crap, it's a demon!
What's your special?
It's a demon!
Shuriken thrower.
Leave me alone.
Photon sniper.
I was killed by a demon. This is no fair.
I'm equipping her heavy weapon.
I killed her. I finally killed her.
You killed each other, actually.
I'm in second place. She's killed me twice.
I just got on the match.
I'm already getting shot. I just accidentally fell off.
I killed her. Hey, Joseph.
No!
No, stop stealing my kill.
Darn it. I was hoping it'd be you and not Pink Storm.
Hoping it would be me? Oh
Yes.
yeah, because she's winning right now. Because I was in the armory the whole time.
I got an assist. Seriously.
I killed you both. Get him, aimbot. Get him.
I got you! Haha! Sucker.
Where are you? There you are.
Hope someone lands on my firework.
I'm in first.
I got another kill assist.
I have the sniper gun. I make Joseph get assist. I had to sneak that health. What is she talking about? But the Big Mac killed her.
Big Mac killed her. I gotta type something.
Zachosaur just killed her.
Yo, Big Mac.
Go, Big Mac! Ah!
Everyone roots for Big Mac. It's just...
Everybody vote for Zachosaur. Forget about Big Mac the chicken. Oh, you son of a gun.
I just shoot until I hit. No!
Get her. Get him. Did you just commit suicide?
No, I got
She
my...
you.
Trying to go some... Please don't snipe me. I'm trying to get somewhere high and kill. Crap, you sniped.
You're going down, Joseph. Oh, she got me.
With the golden friend.
Yeah, she has the golden friend. It's OP. And you're dead.
With the automatic peacekeeper.
And I have aimbot with me.
I was trying to
I
kill.
need to throw this. I need to throw my Slurpee dirt. Hey, Joseph. Oh, firework! I want to touch it.
Come on, touch it.
Bye, guys. My people need me.
That counts.
I wanted to do that just for fun. Just for the lulz and the bloopers. It's funny, guys. Laugh.
Ha. Ha.
Thank you. Random person in the audience no one loves.
I am unloved.
It's true.
I just blew myself up. No.
Get him, Zachosaur. Send out a search party.
I'm being poisoned.
Because she was using that poison flamethrower.
Next time I'm gonna stay in the back so no one kills me.
Yeah. Woo. Okay, anyways, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you all have enjoyed my breakfast. And I will see you on the next one. Take care.
My exit's not gonna be that cool, so bye.